Rebel machine here, our project baby. So we took a trunk pan out of a donor car, Matador, and it was in pretty bad shape. It was hard to find these parts, so we saved this one here. Had to take it apart. This piece here was bent in and crunched up, and took it off and straightened it up and welded it back on. We got TV graded all along the edges of these trunk drops here. So we made new trunk drops for it. We got the outer edges put on. Had to make new pieces along the back. Got it all cleaned up there. Getting ready to do the body work on it, so it fills into a little bit of the welds, fiberglass it in, holds it real well. And we got the other side here done as well. Both sides are done. We're done with all the metal work on it, so we're ready to do the body work. And after that, then we'll take the welder pan back on. We'll look the front pan back over and weld those on the other side there. And then once that's done, weld it on, we'll body work that as well. And we'll put it back in the car. We're one step closer to getting there. All our metal work on the front pan is done, except for welding these in. It's no big deal. So we're making some progress. We'll get a little closer look at it for you and go from there. But everything's turned out really nice on this farm. You can see this piece right in here. We had to take it off completely, drill out all the spot welds and straighten it out. It turned out really nice. And then we got pieces like this right here that was over here on this side. It was just all cheese grated up, so we had to make new pieces there, make new pieces along the here, outer edges. We had to make those trunk drops, but we've got it all ready to go. And just like I say, do the bottom, shine it up a little bit, and this is actually what you'll see on the bottom of the car. So all that turned out real nice through there. Get the body worked, and you get those welded on, and we're one step closer to putting the pan back in the car. We also have a little spot on the shelf there. We had to make a new piece there and form that in there to fit. So we're making some progress. Got our pan ready to go into body work. Now we'll put that in body work and come back and paint it, and we'll get a look at it from there. That's our 70 Machine Rebel. We've been posting this on our YouTube channel. If you like it and subscribe and follow the progress of it, we appreciate it. So 70 Rebel machine right there.